Tired of the chaos, misinformation, or just want a break from X, formerly Twitter? Maybe you're worried about privacy after all those data leaks? Whatever your reason, deleting your X account is easier than you think. This video will show you how to do it both on a mobile phone and a desktop. Let's get started. Firstly, we'll show you how to delete your X account on your mobile phone. Launch X app on your phone. Next, swipe to the right on the screen. You will get the info menu. Find the Settings and Support option at the bottom. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. On this page, tap on the Your Account option. Head to Deactivate Your Account. Here is some information. Read it carefully before deleting. Please note that you can restore your X account if it was accidentally deactivated within 30 days. Next, scroll down this page. You will get the Deactivate button. Tap on it. Finally, X will ask you to confirm the password. After entering the correct password, you will be logged out. Wait for 30 days. Your account will be deleted permanently. Next, let's show you how to delete X account on the desktop. Launch a browser on your computer and head to X website. Then, click on the More at the left column and choose Settings and Privacy. In Your Account option, head to Deactivate Account. After reading this information, click the Deactivate button. Finally, enter your password to confirm, and done. Now you've got how to delete X account permanently in 2 ways. Want more tips? Subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like and share this video. See you next time.